Hi, everybody. This is a kind of an unusual 2 weeks in that I'm opening up the Unit 3 Week 3 and the Unit 3 Week 4 modules so that you can see them both. And the reason why I'm doing that, Unit 3 Week 3 is this week, starts today, everything closes next Sunday. But Unit 3 Week 4 is over Thanksgiving week, and I want to give you the opportunity to get all of your work done before Thanksgiving, and there's not that much in here. So I'm going to open everything up today and you can turn it in. Unit 3, Week 3 is due by Sunday. Group work due next Thursday. This is a normal week of school. The following week, you are welcome to get the group work done this week. It is due November 27th, which is Thanksgiving Day. Turn it in early. Please turn it in early. There is school and campus is open on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Of course, you're not expected to do any work on Thanksgiving Day, but just to keep everything consistent, please turn your work in before Thanksgiving. Have it turned in on, I think November 27th is the due date, and that may actually be on the Wednesday of Thanksgiving week. But get it done this week if you can. There's no problem with that at all. This week, you're going to do a couple of different things. You're going to finish up the chapter on rational expressions. This is rational equations. Take the time to learn how to solve these. There are some easy ways to do it and some hard ways to do it. And so I would like everybody to do it the easy way. Just make sure you're aware of what values the variable cannot take on, or it will cause the expressions to be undefined. Right, those are called extraneous solutions, and you need to find them. And then we're going to start to look at systems of linear equations. This week, you're going to look at just a general idea of what systems are, and you're going to look at solving systems of equations graphically and using substitution. Next week, Thanksgiving week, you will look at solving systems using elimination, and then also looking at word problems. There will be a word problem on the next test, so make sure that you take the time to familiarize yourself with these mixture problems and feel comfortable with them. Systems of equations are important for you because you're going to see them again next semester in 152, and if you're moving on to pre-calc, you're going to see them in pre-calc 2. Math 187 has systems of equations again, and then you'll have to work with them in calculus as well. So take the time to learn them now, and everything kind of just builds on what we're going to learn this semester. So if you have any questions or problems, of course, send me an email. Otherwise, have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will send a few emails between now and then just so that you're aware of things as they come up.